Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I wanted to show you this blessing that I got. It was a friend of mine that sent me all these orchids. And I need to buy, let me see if I can find a piece here. These things. It's their dirt. So I gotta buy, I'm gonna see it this weekend I buy. But in the meantime, I put a little bit of dirt and I put that thing, I don't know what they call it. And they're doing pretty good. This one was like kind of down last night. Look how beautiful it's all the way up again. I want to show you also different things that I did yesterday. Oh, by the way, wait. I'm doing a mistake here. I was supposed to say, I want to say something. Ooh. I didn't want to show that. I'm just trying to find the name. I got a problem with thinking, with remembering, Okay, I want to thanks to this Grunted Gardener. Why? I was watching one of her videos and it was gorgeous. Maybe I hope I'm gonna put a note here to put the link down so you could see how beautiful that community garden is. It is gorgeous. I didn't see no dead leaves like mine's. I haven't seen no, it was perfect. It was like came from a magazine or something like that. Beautiful. I'm going to put it down so you could enjoy it too. So I'm thanking her because for a year, I've been trying to find a way that I could promote you guys. But it has been hard, and that's why I start, then I don't finish. It's because I have a problem. The problem is that I don't have the time. But I still want to do it. I still want to do it, but I don't have the time. So I was checking that out, and I'm going like, wow. How can I promote these videos? And I forgot. I got NERY'S Garden in Facebook. And there, I put my videos there once in a blue mood, whatever. But there is where people go, and I have over 2,000, subscribers. And it keeps growing almost every 2 days a day. I right now went and there was a few of them that want to be for me to to subscribe to them. I have good things in there and bad things that I had to cut. Like yesterday I knocked off a guy, I blocked him. He's over there trying to talk about marriage and love and I don't know what the heck, and I'm not into that. I'm a married person. So I want to thank her because she gave me the perfect idea. And I'm gonna see if I could put the link in the bottom of my Facebook and like do a copy and paste type of thing. I'm gonna do it like I used to do way back with the other videos, and I'm gonna put there my social medias and all that stuff. And if you guys want to put anything of yours there, you could put it too. So that's what I'm gonna do with this video. So let me show you the last little thing because I don't have too much batteries. Hold on. Okay, you see my strawberry, how nice it is. I got kale. I put some more kales. They're growing nice and they're growing beautifully. And by mistake, voila, I put these pieces of corianders, like I do. The ones that get saved, they go in there. The ones that they die, they get out. But I forgot I put 2 Spanish chili peppers here. So I'm going to have to take it out sometime during the day and put it in its own pot. The next thing I wanted to show you was my pepper. I put it here because it dropped all the peppers. They were so beautiful and they dropped. When I went to see what was going on, it had 2 problems. No space, and the leaves were full of like little white dots, little yellow dots, which to me is some eggs of the ants. So I sprayed them and put them in here and hope that they do better here, because they got more space. I also took my baby, my black eggplant. Right there it is. It loves it. It looks like it didn't even been changed from place. It didn't go wilted down a little bit, nothing. He loves it there. But soon I'm going to have to cut this part over here. The next thing, going real fast, is this. You remember I had all my aloe veras over there. So, okay, I'm trying to look for the light. Okay. I have my aloe veras there. I changed them here. They look gorgeous. A new baby's coming out through the side. And another thing, I see, let me see if I could get the lighting. Okay, I see this. I hope it's not another pepper. But I'm going to leave it and see what it is. Because maybe it could be a coriander leaf plant. Because I left the seeds and I left the seeds and they are starting to spread down. So maybe it flew one over here. I'm just going to leave it alone and find out what it is. If it's just grass from outside, I don't need no more, as you can see. So I'll be just this, how you call it? Tear it out. So people, I'm out of batteries. God bless you all. Until next time. And I will be promoting you in my NERY'S garden. The ones that is not gardening, I will still could promote you through my NERY'S Facebook. So either way, you could get promoted. Okay? So that's the fastest way. I could just link it over there and that's it. And people will watch it. There's a lot of people that watches my gardening and also watches my videos and the videos that they put in Facebook, because that's why everybody goes there. It got politics, it got gardening, it got your opinions, it got everything, a little bit of everything. But I try to keep a control of it. I don't want no fresh stuff and no, people bothering other people like it happened to me yesterday. So that's why I blocked the guy. I have a lot of people. A lot of people think that I have a lot of people on Facebook because I'm looking for a man. It's not that. I'm doing a community service. I'm doing, how you call it? I like what I do. I have that Facebook since way before I had my garden. That was the first social media I had because that's the only way I was communicating through my family. So people, let's keep working and let's keep trying because we can't let life take us. We take over life with the name of God, of course. God bless you all. Till next time. Bye-bye.